Yeah, beauty. Guys, so welcome back. It's sort of like another weekly vlog on the Fish Tucker Man. And I just want to say thanks so much for you guys for tuning in and thanking me and giving me all the comments in the previous movies. It's been fantastic. But what I'm going to do today is a bit of a follow-up from the last vid about the tailor fishing. And I put the camera on the lure and it was pretty good action. I enjoyed that, and I'm going to do a lot more of that stuff too. But a lot of people are saying, Don, what happened to your tackle box? Well, my tackle box is right here. I didn't lose the little box. I just thought I did. Lucky when I got home straight away, bang, found it. I was happy. What I'm going to do now though is get into some maintenance. Which camera? There you go. There, you can see me. Yeah, that's it. I'm actually going to get into some lure maintenance. So I use these lures. They're Howcos. They're not bad. They're a bit on. They're not big price in that, and they do all right. But the hooks, and even on most lures, they go rusty. I mean, really rusty, you can see that, and you're not going to really hard to catch fish. You can catch them, but what's the point? And also some of these other lures, like that's my other preferred lure. It's a double clutch. They come with three. I'll show you this one here. See that? Tail, mid body, and towards the head. I reckon it's just way overkill. Fish gets damaged. You waste a lot of time trying to detangle and take hooks off. So I'm actually going to take off the first two and leave the bottom one. And I might even convert some of those ganged or jagged three-way hooks to single hooks, and they're a lot more efficient. A lot more efficient when you catch the fish. Take it off a lot easier, as well as your release on the undersized fish or the fish you don't want to keep, less harmful to them. And you can actually crush the barb. I think they actually, no, yeah, you can actually crush them. So when you take them off, they're less injured. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Have a beer as well. Why not? I'm still recovering from the cold, but I'll get there. So that's a replacement barbs. What do they call them? I reckon they're alright. They don't really rust. We got one over here. And yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. Just bit of repair and maintenance. Even with these lures here, you can see that they've been smashed, right? The paint on these don't last long as they just crumble. Look, you got the rattle, everything seems to be okay. You put new hooks on and you got yourself a brand new lure for tailor. Mate, you don't have to spend too much money on them. You got other different lures. This one is not bad. I think it's a Rapala. That's a real good one. It's a bit more longer, slender one, more for ocean tailor, but also for the river. It sort of simulates a sardine or pilchard. Good for casting as well. And all these lures have got rattles. They've got like a little ball bearing. These dials, you can actually see that if you move it, there's a little weight that goes up and down. I don't know if you can see that right here. Yeah. So that sort of distributes the weight when you cast or even when you're trolling. So that's basically it. And even the cheaper ones, I mean, even these ones here, they will catch tailor. The only problem is the bib there is a bit smaller, so you don't get that, like that's the double clutch. This one here will sort of cut into the water more and it'll give you more action. This one here will be about, sort of on the surface. It will move around, it will catch them, but if you speed up too much on the retrieve, we'll either jump out of the water or get tangled up and whatnot. But still, mate, they'll catch the fish. Then you got your metal slugs. I like using this from Bazooka. I actually changed the barbs on this one too. The other ones were just too wide and I was just losing too many hooks, so I just changed one there. Just a bit of metal, bit of hooks, cast it out into the school and you'll catch them. Righto. So you need one of these pliers with some sort of gripping mechanism. And you grab that O-ring. The bad thing about these O-rings, they're actually corded 3 times, so that they're really tough to ply open. But with this tool, it's a bit more easier. There we go, on the last round bit, pull it up and it's come off. Make sure you put that in a safe spot in the bin, and then just put this one. You can probably do with your hand. There you have it. It's got brand new barbs in this lure, and that will catch fish for a long time. Nice and sharp. So there you have it. Brand new lures almost. Changed the hooks, the barbs. And then I'll put a little single hook on that one there. And over here put 2 single hooks right there too. Anyway, also if you're in Perth, WA, don't forget it's compulsory now to wear life jackets if you're out in the ocean. Long overdue they put this ruling in. I've just used my normal manual inflation one. In fact, no, this might be an automatic one. Doesn't matter. Right, you guys should have them on board anyway, but now you have to wear them if, and this is where it's really stupid, if you're in a boat less than 4.8 meters. Now, I don't mean political, but that's stupid. Make it compulsory. Make it compulsory for anyone that goes out in the ocean. Look at the water police. Look at the sea rescue. Look at everyone out there. They've got massive boats. They all wear life jackets. I know it's for insurance purposes, whatever it is, but the example is you go in the ocean. Obviously, if you're going to go on a ferry or something that's like massively big and you're not driving it yourself, yeah, otherwise, I don't understand why they make these rules up, but it's good. And also kids under the age of 12, compulsory wear. I think that's a bit of a common sense thing. I mean, I've got nephews and whatnot, they always come on board. No life jacket, they're not come fishing for me. With the exception of the river, whatever it is. Anyway, stay tuned for the next vid, which will be out in the normal time Tuesday. Take it easy, don't petite, keep fishing for your fish tucker. Love it. Stay safe.